Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by forcing a clean restart. This clears temporary hangs. Hold the power button down for 10 to 15 seconds until the machine fully powers off, then wait 5 seconds and power it back on. While it's off, unplug any USB drives, external displays, and peripherals that could interfere with startup. Once done, plug only the power cable back in and boot. This eliminates common device conflicts and gives the operating system a chance to reinitialize drivers and services. If a normal boot still suspends at the home screen, enter safe mode to isolate software issues. Use advanced startup options, or press F8 or Shift plus Restart, and choose safe mode with networking. Once inside, run system checks. Open a command prompt and run sfc and dism to repair corrupted system files. While those run, open Event Viewer to scan recent error messages and note timestamps. This helps identify failing drivers or services. Make sure to restart, after repairs, to test a normal boot. Address drivers and startup programs next, because they often cause freezes. In Device Manager Update or roll back the display, GPU, and chipset drivers, then disable non-essential startup apps in Task Manager and reboot to test. If the system still hangs, perform a system restore to a pre-issue point, or run an in-place upgrade repair to refresh system files without losing data. Troubleshooting tip: if the problem persists, record exact error messages, and consider booting from installation media.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.